welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be building the trash PC. Basically every part here, except for most of them, I was going to chuck out. Namely this case and this motherboard, because this motherboard was having crashing issues. It's actually from the blue build. You can go check it out in the cards up here. And yeah, basically I was going to throw it out. It was a long story. Anyway, i5-3470 in there. We've got 8 gigs of good old Corsair Vengeance RAM. Then we also have this hard drive. This is one special hard drive. This thing's been with me all the way. I even had my OS on it at one point. And now I've got to put it in a PC and it's out of focus. So that's great. Sad to see you go, man. And then speaking of drives, we also have this WD Green 120 gig SSD that we'll be chucking in as our boot drive. And then this case is kind of special. Actually, it's not really special. It's just kind of been sitting in storage over there for a long time. So we'll put it to use, I guess. So that's great. And this power supply is kind of interesting. Not really, but I got it 30 bucks on a sale. So that's great. And then this 1050 Ti, the main prize, I guess. Not the prize, main thing. We're going to be chucking that in there. We got it on the, we got it with the PC. You can check it out. Video in the cards up there somewhere. Again, it's great. Anyway, got a 1050 Ti. So we're all going to be chucking that in that case, and that'll be great. Anyway, let's get this build going. Alrighty, so with the build out of the way, it's definitely safe to say that this case has terrible cable management, and I just had to zip tie everything. I used about 10-20 zip ties for this PC. It was too many. Anyway, turns out that Wi-Fi adapter is also kind of broken, so I had to use a little USB boy. But that's fine. Basically, the CPU numbers are all the same as the blue build, because it may or may not be the exact same CPU and motherboard, but don't worry about that. It's still a good CPU. Nonetheless. But as for the 1050 Ti, now that's a different story, because that thing, that's still a good graphics card. And it's also got RGB, so I got to set it to green like the rest of the build. So that's great. I bet you weren't expecting green. I bet you weren't. No one does green PCs. No one does them. But anyway, basically I spent about 200 Aussie dollars on this thing, so I'm probably going to try to get around maybe 400 for it, so decent profit there, so that's pretty good. And I guess that's about it for this video. If you guys want to see more content like this, you might want to consider subscribing or liking or something. And I'll see you all in the next one.